around 6:30 in the morning. And we've got a galah and an Indian ringneck again. I'm wondering if this is still the same ringneck we had a couple of months ago. In August, I think it was. Oh, that's an Alexandrine, it's not a ringneck.
And look at the length of the tail.
Yeah, sorry. My bad. That's not a ringneck, it's an Alexandrine, isn't it?
Yeah.
At first, my eyes are just focusing. I just got out of bed. There's a beautiful bird. This is a pet that's got loose, or someone's released. You don't see these birds flying around a lot. Well, you just don't see them flying around wild here in where we live. This is the first one, and we've been here going on 14 years. And this video's a bit wobbly because I'm a bit wobbly. Look at the length of his tail. Wow. Yep. And I'm wondering whether he's paired off with this galah because they flew in together. Or no, they're our regular galahs. And their babies around somewhere, I'm sure. But I can't get over this Alexandrine. And of course, the ubiquitous Henry, also known as a, where's he gone? Ibis, he's hiding down there. Sorry if it's a bit rough. Oh. On the ground. Corella, lorikeets, galahs. There's another galah down there. Yeah, that's our regular pair. But I'm fascinated by the Alexandrine. It's Alexandrine, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a male too.
It's got the ring. Is that him talking?
No, it's the one.
He's hanging around up there.